is a camera on my helmet capturing the view, that is this, and the camera here captures my view and the audio using Hello friends, so today this is just a quick video to test out how the audio sound quality is with the Sena 20S and the Sena GP10 audio Bluetooth backpack that is attached to the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I was testing this setup for almost 2 days and multiple times. I was never able to successfully record the sound or able to get a clear sound without any popping sound. So after a lot of look up in YouTube, I found out that other riders also faced the same issue, and the resolution that they recommend is to downgrade the firmware of Sena 20S to 1.6.2. So I did downgrade from 1.7.7 to 1.6.2 and did a test ride, and that did not fix the issue. After downgrading the firmware, you have to reset the Sena 20S to factory default. So after doing those two, most of the riders reported that the popping sound is gone. After downgrading the software or the firmware to 1.6.2 and restoring it to factory default, this is the first time I am trying the combination. So hopefully there is no popping sound and the audio is clear. If that's the case, then I will upload this to YouTube so you guys can hear how it sounds. Right now I am using the boom mic that came with Sena 20S. That's it for today, guys. I just wanna go home and hear this video recording to see how the audio turned out, and hopefully if there is no popping sound, then I would be very happy. Alright, as always, enjoy your ride and be safe. See you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as Telyrider, TLYRIDER. See you in the next one. Take care and enjoy the ride.